Your world is no longer what it was before. You might remember movies such as Matrix or Tron. Those have arrived. Remotely opening your house's door to the delivery person while in the office, on-demand entertainment, or mobility as a service by renting vehicles on the go. Digitalisation has come to your world, and your world has become digital. The 4.0 revolution is not just digital, not just data. It is interconnection. The interconnection between the tangible world and the digital one. It is a common saying that you're nobody if not on social media. I say that a product that is not connected is not a finished one. Digital transformation is not about technology. It is about people. People that change their way of life due to technology. Self-driving cars, or having your coffee automatically made in the morning when you wake up, or even production systems that are able to detect problems preventively. Physical assets are already living in the digital world. And you? Do you still exist?